Today, we will start with a new and interesting topic called temperature. So, let's start away. Before we continue, let's understand what do we mean by temperature. Temperature is the measure of degree of hotness or coldness of a body. For example, temperature denotes how hot or how cold a body is. Like if you are running a fever and you check it with the thermometer, the temperature it shows denotes that how hot or how cold your fever is. Moving forward, let's understand the term thermometer. Temperature is measured with the help of an instrument called thermometer. Thermometer is a mixture of two words, thermo and meter. Here thermo means heat and meter means measure. So, thermometer is an instrument which measures temperature or the heat of a body. Now let's understand the working of a thermometer. A thermometer consists of a glass tube with a silver bulb attached at the end. This silver bulb is filled with mercury. As the temperature rises, the mercury expands and rises in the tube. The end of the mercury thread shows the temperature. On your screen, you can see a drawing of a thermometer. The starting portion or the front portion of a thermometer which goes in our mouth is known as bulb. It is filled with the liquid mercury. And moving forward, you will see a bent or a cake-like shape in the thermometer, which is known as bend. And the next part is a thread, which is silver in color. This is the thread of your metal, mercury. The point at which it ends is denoted by that temperature of a body or a liquid. For example, if the silver thread ends at 38 degrees Celsius, we can say that the temperature of the body is 38 degrees. Now, since we are talking about degree, let's understand it in detail. A degree is a unit of measure shown on a thermometer. That means, whenever we measure temperature, we use the unit degree. Moving forward, let's understand the different types of thermometer. There are mainly two types of thermometer. The first is Celsius thermometer and the second is Fahrenheit thermometer. Celsius thermometer. Celsius thermometer was invented by a Swedish scientist. The scale runs from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. In India, we mainly use Celsius scale. You must have seen whenever you check the temperature of a city or a state, it always shows the temperature in degrees Celsius. Why? Because in India, we mainly use the Celsius scale to measure temperature. Similarly, another type of thermometer is Fahrenheit thermometer. Fahrenheit thermometer was invented by a German scientist. The scale runs from 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. It is mainly used in USA or Britain. Please note that in both the thermometer, that is Celsius thermometer and Fahrenheit thermometer, the temperature below zero are written with a negative or minus sign. Now let's have a look at few important points. Now here we will show you different points on degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit scale. For example, the freezing point of water. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degree Fahrenheit. Similarly, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degree Fahrenheit. Now, let's have a look at the normal body temperature of a human adult. 37 degrees Celsius or 98 degree Fahrenheit. Please note it's never 98 degree only, it's 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Moving forward, let's understand another type of thermometer which is widely used, which is clinical thermometer. It is mainly used by a doctor to measure body temperature. In Fahrenheit scale, it denotes the temperature range from 94 degree Fahrenheit to 108 degree Fahrenheit. And in Celsius scale, it shows the temperature 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Now, let's understand the relationship between degree Celsius and degree Fahrenheit temperature. That means conversion from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. We follow a simple formula to do the conversion. Temperature in degree Celsius equals temperature in degree Celsius into 9 upon 5 plus 32. Similarly, moving vice versa, that means converting degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius, we follow the formula. Temperature in degree Fahrenheit equals temperature in degree Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 upon 9. So now, let's understand both of them with an example. Here we are converting 30 degrees Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. Since we know the formula, that is temperature in degrees Celsius equals temperature in degrees Celsius into 9 upon 5 plus 32. Inputting the values, we get the answer 30 degrees Celsius equals 30 degrees Celsius into 9 upon 5 plus 32. Upon simplifying 30 and 5, we get the answer 54 plus 32, which gives the answer 86 degree Fahrenheit. Isn't it easy? Moving forward, let's do the vice versa conversion. That is, converting 95 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. We know that temperature in degree Fahrenheit equals temperature in degree Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 upon 9. So, inputting the value, we get the equation 95 degree Fahrenheit equals 95 degree Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 upon 9. So, let's subtract. We get the answer 63 into 5 upon 9. Upon simplifying, we get the answer 35 degrees Celsius. That's all for today's class. I hope you understood the topic. Till we meet next, thank you.